The most common coordinating conjunctions can be remembered by the acronym FANBOYS. FANBOYS. F for for, FOR, A for and, N for nor, NOR, B for but, wow. Oh. Phew. These are all interjections. And in today's lesson, we are going to be understanding what interjections are, their function in sentences, and how to use them effectively. Hello, and welcome to Fun Book Adventures. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational content. So what are interjections? Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotion, surprise, or reaction. They are often used in casual and informal language. Interjections can stand alone or be incorporated into sentences. There are different characteristics of interjections. First one being emotional expression. Emotional expression convey emotions such as excitement, surprise, happiness, sadness, and anger. Interjection number 2. Punctuation. They are often followed by an exclamation mark to indicate strong emotion or a comma for a milder reaction. And the last one is a standalone interjection. They can function independently or within a sentence. With that being said, there are different types of interjections, and the first one being exclamatory interjections, which show strong emotion. For example, wow, oh no, yikes. The second one are greetings, used for addressing or greeting someone. Example, hi, hello, and goodbye. The third one, approval or praise, express approval or admiration. Example, well done, bravo, yay. The fourth one, surprise or shock, indicates surprise or shock. For example, what? Really? Oh. The fifth one, attention getters, used to grab someone's attention. For example, hey, listen, look. And the sixth and final one, hesitation or pause, indicates hesitation or thinking. Example, Now let's look at some examples and sentences. Excitement. Wow, that was an amazing performance. Surprise. Oh, I didn't see you there. Disgust. Yuck. This tastes awful. Release. Phew. I'm glad that's over. Greeting. Hello. How are you doing today? And farewell. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Wow, this roller coaster is huge, exclaimed Emma as she stood in line with her friends. The sun was shining and the excitement in the air was palpable. Hey, are you sure you want to go on this? Asked Ben, a hint of nervousness in his voice. Of course, it's going to be fun, replied Sarah, grinning widely. Oh, look, we're almost at the front of the line. As they boarded the roller coaster, Emma felt a rush of adrenaline. "Yikes, this is higher than I thought," she said, gripping the safety bar tightly. The ride started with a sudden joint, and they were off. Up, up, up they went, until they reached the top of the first drop. "Whee!" shouted Sarah as they plummeted down at breakneck speed. "Oh," Ben muttered, looking a bit green as they twisted and turned through the loops and corkscrews. Finally, the ride slowed to a stop, and they all got off, legs wobbly but smiles wide. "Phew, that was incredible," said Emma, catching her breath. "Yeah, it was. Let's go again," shouted Sarah. "Oh no, not me," Ben said, shaking his head. "I think I need a break." "Alright, let's find something a bit less intense," suggested Emma. "How about the Ferris wheel?" "Perfect," Ben agreed, relieved. As they walked towards the Ferris wheel, they couldn't help but laugh and chat about their thrilling experience. It was a day full of adventure, and they were ready for more. Interjections add flavor and emotion to our language. They are a valuable tool to expressing feelings and reactions quickly and effectively. By using interjections, you can convey emotions and engage in more dynamic communication. Thank you for watching this week's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational content. Till next time, bye!